Okay guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to be creating this smoke effect in Houdini today. It's just basically point velocity. My last video was about point velocity, and point velocity is pretty damn cool. So I'm going to show you how to do your business with some point velocity stuff. And yeah, what you're going to want to do is drop down a geonode. You want to dive in, drop down a sphere, and then drop down a transform. And what you're going to do with this transform is you're going to move it in the way you want the smoke to like move. So I'm going to just make it -5. I'm going to alt right click, left click to keyframe it, go to like frame 32, and I'm going to move it to where I want to have it. So I'm going to set it to 5, and it's a bit over there to the right, and so it's just going to move across the screen like that. And obviously we can all imagine what smoke would look like if that was to happen, like a ball of smoke. And so drop down a point velocity node, click on compute acceleration, compute angular velocity, central difference, calculate speed, click on display points, click on display point trails, and then you'll see this has now got point trails. And now you're gonna wanna come off of that. You're gonna wanna go to Pyro FX. You wanna right click, edit shelf tab. Don't do that. Go to tools, scroll all the way down to D, and then pick dry ice and accept, and then it should be here then. So I'm gonna click dry ice, and now go to the gas resource fluid container thing. Click on manual. Click on like 14 and 7 in my case, but it could be different for you. So like if you play out your simulation, you need to play with these settings a little bit, and then make sure to click on enforce boundaries, and make sure to put the Y on. The Y is not 0, and if you click play, hold on, let me just make this dark, so background color scheme dark. And as you can see, it is using the point velocity in the way it should be. And say like you didn't have the point velocity node connected, the effect would be very different. Let me show you. So let me just get out. Come on, yeah. Come out, go back, click play. Very different effect compared to, yes, this is much better, as you can see. Very much a good reason to be using this beautiful point velocity node. And say you want to get like a more detailed render from this, because it is a bit blocky. You go to Pyro Source, set the particle scale to 1, come out, go to the dot network, on the pyro smoke object, set the division size to like 325, and that should be a little bit more detailed. And if you want to play with them settings to get like a bit more detailed, you can. And like this will take a bit longer to render out, but that is the effect. I just wanted to use the point velocity node and display it because it's a pretty cool node and very important to Houdini. And yeah, lots of love and peace. Drop a like, subscribe. Yes. Have a beautiful day, people.